We've seen how to define routes to match exact strings like /about or /rolldie, which are definitely useful, but in most web apps, those types of routes won't be the only tool in your arsenal. To illustrate why, let's take a look at reddit.com. Reddit is divided into thousands of different subreddits, each of which has a unique name, like news or gaming. To visit my favorite subreddit, soccer, we need to request reddit.com/r/soccer. To visit another subreddit like puppies, we need to request reddit.com/r/puppies. With what we've seen so far, we could define these subreddit routes individually in a Sinatra app like this. Get/r/soccer, do, /r/cats, /r/photography, and so on. And that works great if we only have a couple of subreddits. But of course, Reddit has thousands and thousands of different subreddits that we can visit. As of this recording, Reddit has over 872,000 different unique subreddits that you can browse. And simple 3-line route definitions for that many subreddits would require over 2.6 million lines of Sinatra code, which is just insane. And that's just one example. Assuming the simplest possible route definitions, take a look at the path for an individual Reddit post page. So this is the URL for a user's post about her adorable kitten who just had her first birthday, and this was posted to the cats subreddit. So the URL is r/cats/comments/4n0f34, which is a unique identifier for the individual post here, and then part of the title, my kitty just had her first birthday, where the spaces have been replaced with underscores. So it's a pretty complex and long URL, and there's no way that we could define one of these routes in a Sinatra file for every single post, billions and billions of posts on reddit.com. Just thinking about writing those routes gives me a headache. Instead, we can define routes that will match general patterns in strings, almost like having a variable in our route. So returning to the subreddit examples, rather than explicitly defining routes for r/soccer and r/photography, it would be much easier to define a route for r/any subreddit name after that slash. So it would be a catch-all route for anything that started with r/ and then any possible subreddit name that came after. Now, to be clear, this isn't the exact syntax that we need to do that, because this route will just match the exact string r/subreddit name. Likewise, for the individual Reddit post pages, rather than explicitly defining a route /r/cats/comments/4n0f34 / my kitty just had her first birthday, we might want to define a pattern route like this, r/some subreddit name, followed by a post ID, followed by a post title. Fortunately for us, Sinatra has a very, very simple syntax for defining these types of dynamic routes, these routes that have path variables in them. And it all comes down to one magic symbol, the colon. No, not that colon, the grammatical colon. There we go. So next up, we'll see how we define those routes in a Sinatra app using this magical colon.